Okay, boys and girls, finally I was able to make some modifications, and I'll show you what it looks like from the top. I'll pull the cell out here in just a minute. This is a baking soda solution that is really strong. I had initially all 8 of those plates in series, and 12 volts was not enough. Even with the baking soda solution is saturated. There's baking soda on the bottom that will not go into solution. So just to show you that perseverance does pay off, I have separated the plates, and now I have a series parallel circuit there. I'll show you how that works in just a minute. And again, I have my trusty Makita 12-volt battery here with some alligator clips and wire that certainly is not up to the task, and of course my trusty Fluke 33-6 is currently clamped on and awaiting this red clamp here to be affixed to the battery so we can get a reading on the amps. So without further ado, I'm going to hook this up, and I want you to watch what type of activity we get inside the cell here. Okay, it's actually spraying me back here, and it's drawing 22 amps. So I imagine my wires are getting hot right now. I'm monitoring that, and they are. So that's what you can expect to get if you figure out how not to do it 2 or 3 times. Eventually you'll find out how to do it. So let's see if I can disconnect this and give you a look at what this looks like now. You'll recall what the other plate configuration was. So I separated the plates. Had a little bit of carnage there as one of my side caps came off. And now I have a strap in the center which is loose, ironically, feels like. And by cutting one of the straps short, I was able to make a connection to go across the bottom there. So the 2 outside plates are connected, and if you follow this plate up, that's a lead, and the 2 inner plates are sandwiched together around this, and that's the second one. And that's it. And I'm very satisfied. I believe that'll make a significant difference on a trip that's coming up, and I'll be able to report back with some empirical data on how this thing actually worked for me.